You and I have lost our minds. I don't even know if thoughts are mine, projected by your fear inside. But I could see the light. Say, when you're ready to escape, I'll be a shelter from the rain. I'll pull you under me, we can make the ground shake, like an earthquake. Like an earthquake, like an earthquake. You feel it bounce to the old school sound. You and I are honesty, a sedated type A intensity. When it's me against you, when it's you against me, it's so hard to breathe.